Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio problem in Solarpunk game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. Now the first fix is steps to fix sound or audio problem in Solarpunk game. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, click on sound, scroll down, under advanced option click on more sound settings. Then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound tab and from the drop down first select off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your sound or audio problem is fixed or not. Now if not fixed and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check if your sound or audio problem is fixed or not. Fix is to make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the Solarpunk game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3 steps to fix audio or sound problem in Solarpunk game if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to the services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Then hit on apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4 set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you're using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. So your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio problem in Solarpunk game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.